Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei MateBook D14, and now I'm gonna show you how to enter BIOS on this device. Firstly, open Start menu, then click on the Power and Shut Down to disable your laptop. Wait a while. Then you will need to click power button and quickly press F2 button. So click power and quickly press F2 button many times. And as you can see, we are in BIOS now. There are no Bluetooth drivers here. Bluetooth drivers are not working here, so you can't use your Huawei Magic Mouse here. So you can only use your touchpad or keyboard. You can change settings here. As you can see, we have now a lot of settings on our BIOS. I have updated BIOS, and that's it. If you want to save changes, you need to choose save and exit. And if you want to exit without saving, so just click enter and yes. Wait a while. Press the power button and wait until your device will restart. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.